Hi, today we're going to be setting up our practice account. So after you log into TradingView and find the Euro USD chart, we're going to look at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. There's a little peak, and we're going to click it. So just click it a couple of times. So you can either do it that way, or you can use your mouse and wait until you see it start to look like a little arrow that goes up and down, and you could slide that screen up like this. So there are a couple of ways to do it, all right? And you'll see a sentence that says, connect through our trusted brokers. And so these are lists of brokers that you can use once you learn to trade. You could choose one of those brokers, but we're going to start with TradingView's Paper Trading Brokerage Simulator. And so what you'll do is click on the paper trading box like this, and then you'll click on Connect. So this lets us practice. All right. And so this says paper trading. You'll see your account name. You'll see that there's an account balance of $100,000. And since that is quite a large number for a beginner, what we're going to do is modify this so that we can practice trading the money that we probably would put in our account. In order to change this account balance over here, what you'll do is go to this little cogwheel. You'll click it. This says account settings, so click onto that. Click on reset account. And so this is showing our balance of $100,000 in USD currency. And so what you can do is change this to, you could change it to like $100 if you want, or $50. You can decide how much you probably would start out with, or account balance. And if you don't see the 50 there, or whatever number you chose there under account balance, then you can refresh your screen by clicking the little circular arrow at the top of your screen in your search bar, just to refresh the entire thing. Okay, and then it should show. So as we practice and we start learning to trade, we're going to be practicing with 0.01 lots. So we'll be using micro lots. And when we use Oanda later on after paper trading, 0.01 lots is going to be equal to 1,000 units. So this is a handy way to determine how much money you'll need. And you'll find that when we first start out, $50 or $100 is plenty to work with. And then when you're done with that, you can minimize this little area. So you can either use your cursor, like click there, and then use your cursor to drag it back down, or you can click this little collapse panel button like that, and it'll collapse the panel. Okay? All right, so now we're all set up for paper trading, and we'll explain more about paper trading in our next video.